Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics Corner. I am Mukul Sarma, teacher. Today I shall discuss about new chapter, that is linear inequality. Last class I have discussed about complex number, and now this is my lecture number 51 for class 11, and the chapter is linear inequality. So at first, what is linear inequality? Definition of linear inequality. Definition of linear inequality: two real numbers or two algebraic expressions are said to be an inequality if they are connected by symbol greater than, less than, greater than, equal, less than. We know that equality is connected by equation and inequality is connected by greater than, less than, or greater than equal or less than equal. Now let's discuss some properties of inequality. Properties of inequality. Properties of inequality. At first we take a three positive number. If A greater than 0, B greater than 0, C greater than 0, then the first property is A greater than B implies A minus B greater than 0. Second property, that is A less than B implies A minus B less than. This says if A greater than equal, therefore it will be greater than equal. If A less than equal, this is also less than equal. Third property, that is very important. If A greater than B, this implies minus A less than minus B. If A greater than B, then minus A will be less than minus B. Here we have multiplied both sides by minus 1. If we multiply both sides by minus negative number or minus 1, then the sign will be sent. It is greater than, that is less than. The fourth property, that is sign will be sent in this case also. If A greater than B, then 1 by A less than 1 by. If A greater than B, 1 by A will be less than 1 by B. These two properties are most important. Again, one property is if A by B greater than C by D implies we have to we can cross multiply, but we have to, if AD, if we multiply first AD, then C will remain same. But if we multiply first BC, then BC less than AD. Sixth property, that is A greater than B implies A plus C greater than B plus C. That is, if we add both sides by another positive number, sign remain same. Adding, if we add, it is A greater than B implies A minus C also greater than. But that is if we subtract both sides from another positive number, then sign will remain same. That is, it is greater than, therefore it is also greater than. Now I shall discuss some problem which are in the exercise number 6.1, that is. exercise solved. 24x less than 100 when x is natural number. Second is x is an integer. A solution. What is the solution? 24x less than 100. We can solve it like equality. That is x less than. You can dividing both side by 24. That is x less than. That is 25 by 6 if we divide numerator by 4. This is 25 by 6. This is x less than. This is 6. This is 4. 1 by 6. 4 and 1 by 6. That is. Now, if when x is natural, then what is the value of x? We can easily find out it with the help of number line. That is 0, it says 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, etc. up to minus infinity here, up to here also to plus infinity. There. Here x is, what is the value of x? Which is x, what is x less than 4? We shall put the value here x equal to 4 and 1 by 6. This must be that this is the position of 4 and 1 by 6. That is the position of. Given that here condition is x is less than, value of x is less than 4 and 1 by 6. Therefore, value will remain left side of this number, and left side of this number is 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the natural number. Then x is equal to natural number 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a solution set for if x is natural number. Now, if x is an integer, when x is an integer, we can find out from number line also, in this case also, x is equal to, what is the solution set? Less than 4 and 1 by 6, this is 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 will also be included. Minus 2 will be included here because it is the case of integer. Therefore, we can write is in up to infinity here, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, up to 4. That is the solution for the first problem. Next problem, that is solve. It is also solved. 5x minus 3 less than 7 when first condition x is an integer. And second condition is x is a real number. Solution. 5x minus 3 less than 7. 5x, we can find out the value of x like equality. There's minus 3 is there, therefore 7 plus 3. Then x less than 10 by 5. X less than 2. First condition is x is an integer. Therefore, we can with the help of number line. This is number line. Here x 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. up to minus infinity here, here plus infinity here, up to x2. What is the position of 2? This is 2. X is less than 2, less than 2, x is integer, less than 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. That is x is there, x is equal to, there are 2 will not be included here because x less than 2, therefore 1. 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, up to minus infinity here. X is a real number. X will be. What is the value of x? X is a real number. When x is a real number, then it is also, this value is also included, but 2 is not included, but value of in between 1 and 2, in between 0 and 1, in between minus 1 and 0 are also be included. Therefore, we cannot write only 1, 0, minus 1. This value is also included, so we have to write it in set builder form or interval. In the interval, we can write is 2 up to minus infinity. This is minus infinity. It is 2. Minus infinity is open interval. 2 will be open interval because 2 is not included here. This is minus infinity, minus infinity, 2 to minus infinity, 2 to up to minus infinity, but 2 is not included. In set builder form, what we can write is as x such that x belongs to R, x, that is minus infinity, is minus 2. We can write it in set builder form, that is if x is a real number, that is it is very easy, but it is to express in the interval form or set builder form. So these are about the problem. Next class also I shall discuss some problem.